how to add today's calendar schedule on lock screen of your Samsung phone. So if you want to set today's calendar instead of classic clock style on your lock screen, I'm going to show you how you can do this. Let's get started. So firstly, what you can do is you can lock your screen. Unfortunately, I cannot show you this because my screen recording will stop. So just lock your screen, press and hold on your current lock screen, enter a PIN code, and you will access customization mode. Or instead of this one, you can open your settings. Here, scroll down until the lock screen and always on display. Tap on that. Scroll all the way down and in this blue menu, choose Edit Lock Screen. And now you will basically see the same. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna click on your current clock style and tap on Style. Now we gotta swipe left until we see calendar with today's date. Tap on that and this is how it will look. Additionally, you can enable to show weather information in this calendar. Now you can also drag it and like using pinch gesture resize on the screen and drag to any other place, for example to the middle of your screen, or leave at the top. I'm gonna make it smaller, and also you can tap on font and color and switch to different font type first. Let's just tap on other options, and also here you can just choose different color for this top panel with the date and current time. Also you can set rainbow option or any other you like. And whenever you're done changing it, just tap on your lock screen. Additionally, what you can do is you can click at widgets, tap calendar, and choose upcoming events if you would like to see events from your calendar on your lock screen. Now, whenever you're finished, tap down in the top right, and changes are applied to lock screen. So now you will have full calendar with the current date and also with upcoming events right on your lock screen. That's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.